All right, what's up, YouTube? We're unboxing the ARRMA Felony. It's a radio-controlled car. It's electric. It goes 80 miles an hour. It goes 85, actually. So we're going to unbox it right now. That thing's kind of heavy. And it's basically plug and play. There's nothing to there's really nothing. Hold on. Yeah, pretty dope, man. Yeah, this thing's pretty dope. Let y'all check it out. That's how the front looks. That's how the back looks. Pins on here to open the whole car. It's pretty dope. The whole top comes off. Now, I'm looking for something that's supposed to come with the vehicle that I'm not seeing. Which is the intake. Hold on. It's supposed to be an intake. Maybe that's some shit I gotta order separate, but it's supposed to be a blower right there to my knowledge. I'm not seeing it in here, man. Oh, here. I'm tripping. Here's another box, y'all. I was about to panic. I'm like, hold on, man. You looking a little short, player, from my understanding. Yeah, I'm like a big ass kid and shit. I be trying to spoil myself and shit. Yeah, here's the components we was looking for. So this thing was $1,000. Here's the controller. Dope. Here's a controller. I haven't had one of these since I was probably like a kid, really. Maybe like a teenager, but definitely not as an adult. This is what I wanted right here. See what I'm saying? I had to have the blower. So in the box comes that right there. We're gonna put the blower on there. This is like a tool. These are all the tools that come with it, obviously. Allen wrenches and shit. Alright, this is some kind of tube right there. Figure out what that's for. Comes with an instruction manual. Probably how to fix it, all that extra shit. Brakes. Comes with some decals. We ain't gonna probably do them, but might. Yeah, it's some shit to put together still. Not much though, but it's a little bit of shit to put together. It's got a few different intakes to it. Turbos. So yes, it's still a few things to assemble, but nothing too major. It has this gear right here in these washers. I don't really know what that is, but we'll figure that out. You know. But yeah, y'all, that's the motherfucking the ARRMA Felony. It's a 1/7 scale. 1/7 scale. Goes over 80 miles an hour. It was around $1,000 with all the parts. All right, y'all, I'm out.